In-N-Out. I just decided to vlog today because it's almost Thanksgiving and I don't know, thought it would be fun.
Thank you.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can just put that on my lap. Here. Oh,
take it.
Yes, yes, yes. Look at all this food. Alright, here is my In-N-Out order, what I always get. Animal style fries, double protein style, with raw and grilled onions, because that's my fave. Justin got double pretty much with an extra patty, so 3 by 2. Yeah, animal style fries, got an Arnold Palmer. Oop, let me switch this over. Today we're planning on going to the Museum of Selfies. We looked this up on Groupon because we were originally going to go to like a wine tasting thing, but it was kind of far, so it's the day before Thanksgiving and we just wanted to like have a cute little date situation. So we're eating In-N-Out for lunch. We're going to go to the Museum of Selfies, probably hang out there for a little bit, and then Justin's family is taking me out to dinner, and we're also going to like hang out with his family as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna munch on some of these fries. I really want to do more, ooh! Okay, it's fine. I really want to do more like mukbangs. For the reference, I think it's mukbang, not mukbang. Like, you know, mukbang is like Korean word. Just so you guys know. Yeah. Babe, do you want to fry?
No, no.
Oh, he's got gum in his mouth. Don't really know if we're in focus, but...
Oh, and that's yours.
Is it? Okay. You ready? Here's your burger. How do you wanna... I
haven't had In-N-Out for so long.
You know who I feel like? I feel like we're the Hodge twins.
Oh, were they in their car?
I know the Hodge twins? Yeah. Uh-oh. Justin's car is like fairly new, so... hopefully you won't smell anything. Oh wait, that's my lipstick on. Is it okay?
Yeah.
That legit went up my nose. I just ate paper. I definitely think I just ate paper.
The other movie we can watch is Wreck-It Ralph. So
There's so many good ones.
Yeah, so we're gonna watch Wreck-It Ralph, and then after.
Can I have a wet wipe?
Yeah, it should be in here.
I wiped my hands over. Here, I'll leave one out for you too. Watch it. That was so good. I think I ate that in approximately 4 minutes.
Yeah, just the fact that you didn't talk to me at all.
I was pretty hungry. Oh, so good. Is it okay if I put this in here?
Yep.
It's just, that'll be our trash area. But I have to eat. Oh, he spilled. He spilled. Oh, I got you.
Is it just that?
Yeah, it's just this. Or here, I'll put it in here. We're like Shik Shack Blanc. Maybe let me give you a bite. This is a good one. I love that noise. It's the bounce. I wish we had ketchup. This tastes way better with ketchup.
You should let me know. It's totally awesome.
Okay. Oh, good, right? Wait, are we walking there?
Yep.
Okay.
It's just right here. You killed it, girl. We're done. We just finished all our food. I need to eat with the mirror down so I can continue to like wipe off my makeup and stuff. If we end up making it this time.
Okay. Alright. We're gonna head out now to the Museum of Selfies. I'm wearing the Fila Disruptors too. Justin, what are your shoes? Show the people.
J's on my feet.
These are, what kind are they?
사람 봐봐. 오른쪽 보다 힘있어.
Oh my god.
깜짝 놀랐어 나도 옆에 보는데. 아 하지마 찍지마.
No, I'm 찍어ing you. Selfie sticks. Cool museum of selfies. That's funny. Gosh, you guys, that is so pretty. This is such an inspo. First selfie stick. Oh my gosh. First Paris Hilton selfie. Oh, okay. We're taking it from above, getting the entire thing. Yes! I'm on top of the world. So cool. It's like an optical illusion. How cool is this? This is crazy. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Oh my gosh, there's mustard in it too. This is so funny. How big this burger is. And they have like sushi and the huge broccoli. That's crazy. Mirror selfies are not a crime. Okay, this room is like supposed to be a mirror, but it's the exact same replica on the other side. Oh! Wow. This is a crazy bathroom. Look at that stack of money. Angel wings. Ooh, what's in here? Wait, are you supposed to spin it or what?
No, it's like you take a photo of yourself.
I don't get it. This is crazy. Look at all of these emojis. Look at that. This is crazy, Van Gogh. Oh my gosh. Famous Oscar selfie.
The time, so like
Justin and I came to the Grove and we're gonna watch Wreck-It Ralph. So excited! I think I'm gonna get a drink too because I just want to treat myself. But the Grove is one of the best places to come during the winter because, and we're really dark, but it's one of the best places to come. Grove is one of the best places to come during the winter because everything is like decked out in holiday stuff and it's just beautiful. So any date ideas, just come to the Grove.
1:45.
What time is it?
It's 1:59.
If it looked like I just cried, but I did a little. Watching Wreck-It Ralph, we just finished, and I feel like it's a really, really good movie, honestly, like one of the better Disney movies, in my opinion. I thought it was a good mix of humor and like a feel-good movie. What did you think, Justin?
It's good.
It's good?
The first one's better.
The first one's better, really? I thought this one was pretty good. It's very like 2018, like they make a lot of references to like the internet and things on the internet, so that was really funny. And then we just got some desserts that I'm gonna take to my family at home from the Dominic Ansel Bakery. We got some cronuts and some lime tarts and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's the end of our fun Thanksgiving date. I'm just gonna go home now, and then this weekend should be a lot of fun because Justin's playing in a football tournament with our church, and then we're also having family Thanksgiving dinner and all that stuff, so this weekend should be really fun. Thanksgiving breakfast. Ooh, everybody's food, so delicious. Thanksgiving, everybody. That guy just littered. Oh, I think he works here. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We just ate breakfast, which was super yum, and then we're gonna go to the spa now as a family. So awkward. My family's watching. So awkward. I told my parents that I'm a YouTuber now, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your time with your families. Be thankful. Oh my, I could see you in the back.
Oh no.
No. Alright, I'm gonna sign off. I'll see you guys at the spa. Finished up at the spa, and I just put on a face mask because we didn't have any lotion. But this is like the aloe face mask, and it's like an extra layer of skin. It's like sliding down. Oh my goodness. Nice. If he wanted to be in the vlog and he said yes.
She waits till
oh, no, go ahead.
She waits to ask me now.
Oh, we're getting cooked.
Oh,
we're getting cooked.
We're gonna the 청국장.
Yum. We're at my grandma's house for Thanksgiving lunch today, and I got in trouble at the market. They just told me to turn it off. But let's use the zoom feature on my camera. Oh, there we go. Got it. We're reminiscing and looking at old photos. We're waiting for my other sister to get here, and we're gonna have some sushi for Thanksgiving.
Follow me on Instagram.
Oh my gosh, you guys want to see a funny photo of me when I was a little baby? Little baby. Okay. That was me. We got so much Photoshop done.
Hey, who's that good-looking guy in front of you?
That was me. Look at my one-shoulder dress. I thought like that was the coolest dress I've ever seen. My youngest brother, my dad, my mom. Everyone looks so beautiful. This is what we do for Thanksgiving. We just kind of chill in this like little area. And we play on our phones. And that's what we do at our grandma's house.
Follow me on Instagram.
No, don't follow him on Instagram. His Instagram is boring. I'm just kidding. You can follow them on Instagram. I'll put it right here. Why should they follow you? Give them a reason.
Cause I'm in my son's brother.
In my son's brother. Let's see what we're making in the kitchen. Ooh. 할머니. 네. 네?
사진사가 됐어.
안녕. Father-son.
Bonding time.
Fixing a father-son bonding time.
네, 다라이로 그냥 양념으로
The tarai.
The Dadai, I don't even know what that means.
사절이 그냥 할 거예요.
Guys, she's single and ready to mingle. Oh my goodness. Let's look. What's inside my bag today? Face masks. Basic. I'm actually looking for my phone. Oh, here it is. Oh, I got a message from Justin's son.
Are we sharing this?
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
You guys, my mom and I were just like in her closet, and she just gave me her vintage Chanel. Like, look how gorgeous. This is my first ever like anything from Chanel. It might not be everybody's taste, but it's so cute. Like, seriously, it's so cute. It's got like this satin silky material gray color in the inside, one pocket, flap, no magnetic. Oh, it's gorgeous, and it looks really cute on. It's nice and short. Oh my gosh, how cute is she? So cute.